The composition of the Earth's atmosphere varies with altitude, but on the average, it has 75% by mass of nitrogen, 23% oxygen, 0.05 carbon dioxide, and 1.28% argon. The Earth's atmosphere is quite unlike that of the other inner planets. For one thing, the atmosphere of Venus and Planet contains overwhelming amounts of carbon dioxide, about 95% in each case. There are other inert gases such as neon and helium in minute amounts. It also contains water vapor in variable quantities ranging from 0.01% to 3%. Another variable component is sulfur dioxide, a dangerous pollutant that causes acid rain. There may be 10 million tons of this substance in the atmosphere at any particular time. At a height of 15 to 50 kilometers, there is a layer of ozone formed of oxygen with 3 atoms per molecule, rather than the usual. There may be about 4 million tons of it.
The development of the atmosphere. Only in recent decades has the history of the Earth's atmosphere been pieced together from theoretical and empirical studies. Much is still uncertain. The development of the atmosphere can be divided into distinct stages. In the early stages of its existence, the nature of the atmosphere was determined by the fundamental process involved in the formation and early evolution of the Earth itself. Later, more subtle changes are thought to have been induced by the swings between glacial and interglacial conditions, climatic change, and geological processes. Throughout much of its lifetime, there has been a close connection between the biosphere and the atmosphere, the one influencing the development of the other. This continues today as society itself, through pollution and deforestation, affects the chemical composition of the atmosphere. Underlying all these processes is the position of the Earth within the solar system. The distance of the Earth from the Sun and hence its equilibrium temperature heat from the processes that form the solid Earth resulted in the outgassing of those elements at or near the Earth's surface that most easily evaporated. It is now believed that this early atmosphere contained nitrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor, hydrogen, and inert gases, making up the original cloud of cosmic dust and gas. The vigorous solar wind may have removed much of this primitive atmosphere during the first billion years of Earth's lifetime. Some elements are as abundant on Earth as they are in the solar system.